All right, you on here, Keith? We've only got 16 left, guys. We have one sealed case, and then we have these 6. Keith just bought 2. Just tell me, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See if we can't knock this JJ Watt out. I know that thing's, I'm assuming it's still in there. There's a couple in the safe, put away for a Christmas present, but 16 left, 2 put in there. Every case is going to have 2, 3 good ones, so hoping we get him something. He said, oh, he said 2 and 4. 2, 3, 4. All right, bro. Then we also have Prism, Phoenix, certified cuts today. We got trade night tonight too. All right, good luck, bro. I guess I'll just leave this in the camera though. He's got. All right. 3 cards. First one, pretty sick patch of Dalvin Cook, number 2, 49 of 49. Dalvin Cook, pretty good. Dual, pretty sick logo patches of Devontae and Paxton, number 2/5. And the back one is Steve Young autograph. So you got a Steve Young auto too. So Steve Young, dual patch, number 2/5. Where's the numbering? 2/5. 2/5, Young and Dalvin. This was packed out before Dalvin got hurt. He got a big ass card, I can tell you all that. Everybody get ready. Woo! There's one of them. There's one of the big cards left. We got quite a few, I think, but it's hard to keep up because people take them. First hit, Peyton, jersey, number to 765. Let me get my dummy card. Y'all cheating. Steve McNair patch to 124. Dang, this is a sick card. Rookie NFL logo shield. Rob Gronkowski. That's his rookie too. Number 2/5, I believe, when I bought it. Number 1/5. Oh, that's a sick card. Yeah, that's a game used logo shield. Hello. Y'all need some help?
Well, we just discovered your store here.
Well, cool, man. Yeah, that's one of the biggies. Let me look and see on the list. I'm going to grab my sheet and see what else I know I haven't seen pulled.
Oh, look. It's a game for my niece. Sports game. I do trade games.
Yeah, that was one of the ones I named. The Gronk got pulled. The AP got pulled. Don't think the Mariota. Jim Brown. I don't remember Jim Brown being pulled up there. I didn't see every box, guys, but I know the Superfractor was pulled. I know the dual logo. The Namath to 15. I don't know if that was pulled. Hello. Y'all need some help?
I got a few cards. I don't know if you buy cards or not.
I'll take a look, man, if you want me to. I know Bradshaw's been pulled because I bought it from him. The Bo got pulled. The Watson, the Manning. Let me see what you got, man.
There's the man right here.
I don't know if that's, see that, do you have an authenticity or anything with that?
No, I was going to ask you a question. Actually, I got it signed myself when I was 12.
Okay, so
When
you got it
I was
signed.
there, but I wish I'd have taken a picture.
Yeah, you
But
gotta.
I didn't know, with that, what's the process to get it? I mean, you can compare it. I mean, it's obvious, but I understand at a business point, you need.
Right. I can do two
Could you
things
show
at
me
once.
something?
No. Thank you, Unitas. You would have it. You would send it into a company and get it authenticated.
Yeah.
I would say, without it being authenticated, I'd probably offer like $30.
Yeah.
You know, it's just not worth it to you. You know, it's
Yeah.
more
If
sentimental
it is
value.
authenticated, then what?
Probably about 100. I think it's about $100. They come here twice a year, so I mean, I don't think they charge a whole lot. Maybe $10.
That's what I'd want to do. I'd hate to send it off somewhere, but I mean the card without. I was telling somebody else, the card's valuable.
Right.
With the autograph, it's more valuable if it's authenticated. If not, it's almost like you destroyed it.
Right.
So.
Yep.
But I mean, I know the cards. I don't know. I mean, you can find them all day. The cheapest I found was $900 with the autograph on it. Hey, hold on one sec. But yeah, I kind of want to get a little info.
Well, cool, man.
Find out because I need to get it. Definitely need to get that certificate.
Oh, I mean, I can tell you 100% it is not a $900 card. I mean,
Right.
I don't want you to waste your time thinking it is. I've done this since I was 12, and it's about a $100 card or so if it's authenticated. Again, I think maybe sometimes people will put them on PayPal or on eBay asking a certain price. But
They're all over, and I mean,
Yeah.
it's definitely well over. The value is well over that.